YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got some accessories on the desk. Today, got the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic on the desk, and I believe I got one of the hardest accessories out for this thing. Now, I was waiting for this to come out. It was being teased on Amazon. It was on Amazon for a while before it was shipping out. This is the Spigen Rugged Armor Pro for the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic 46mm, and that's what we got on deck. That's what we got on the desk. Now, I love these type of watch face and band combinations because they look so rugged. They give you a smartwatch almost like a G-Shock look. I love that type of look on a smartwatch. It looked like a G-Shock, but it's really a smartwatch type deal. This one looks really rugged, really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on my Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, guys. So as you can see, typical white and orange Spigen packaging. As you can see, okay, we got the smart lock technology. So it's gonna like kind of lock on your wrist. Stable mounting. I guess that's when you put it into the case. Put the watch into the case, and we got some installation guide, but I'm not even worried about that. This should be too easy. So let's go ahead and get this thing out, guys. I'm not playing with this sticker, guys. Boom, there it is. I'm not playing with it. I don't have time for it today. Get out of my way. Here we go. We got the case band combo right here. One piece. Looking very dope, guys. Looking very rugged. Gonna give my watch that rugged look, because a lot of times I'm banging the face of this watch on things, guys, because I'm wearing this watch like on the daily now. So it's the again, this is the Rugged Armor Pro case with the band. So this is gonna protect the face of my watch and give me a nice little rugged look. Here we go, Rugged Armor Pro and shock resistant. We got some Spigen branding. We got that carbon fiber look. So really dope. We got cutouts for the buttons, and we got more carbon fiber type look on the sides, and we got like this gray front face. I got this on purpose because it kind of matches a little bit of the silver, because you know my Galaxy watch, as y'all can see, is silver. We got some more, we definitely got some more carbon fiber type look all over the watch band and the watch face, guys. So this is hard. I like this. I really like this. I'm gonna definitely put a link down in the description. I like that Spigen branding, and I like how it says got the name Rugged Armor, shock resistant on the front. So let's go ahead and here go the clasp right here, guys. Clasp, things of that nature. Nice, but it looks like it's just adjustable for many sizes, guys. So I won't worry about if your wrist is small, your wrist is big. Look like you covered right here. So first thing we gotta do is get the bands, the original bands off. We gotta press this button to the side, or press this button in, guys. We got the watch right here. We got the Galaxy 4 Classic with the bands off. Uninstall, we gotta take the bands off, of course. Then I believe we just gonna force it. We gotta make sure the buttons match up, and we just gonna force it into this Spigen band like so. And there we go, we got it on one side. Let's get it to this other side. Boom, and we popped up in there. We are in there, guys. So don't ask me to do that twice, because it definitely is a little, you know, it is a little wrestling match, definitely. But now this thing looks hard. So you go, okay, so now you got the cutout where you can spin and all that type of stuff. I like that. That's very nice. As you can see, watch face going on. I done changed my watch face, wrestling this thing into this case, guys. But here we go. Like we said, got nice carbon fiber. Still got a nice button press, nice big cutouts. Nice. Now I like this gray against the silver for the face. Let me try to put my original face back on. Oh, hold on. We'll see about that. We'll worry about that. Hold on. Here it is. Okay. There go my original face right there. Let's get that back in rotation. Now that's hard. I like it, guys. I like the look. I like the rugged look, and I like that I'm not gonna be hitting the face. And you can kind of DJ right here. They give you a nice spot to move your bezel, and it protects your bezel, guys. I definitely like these protective one-part cases for these smartwatches. Shout out to Spigen for putting something together, because I didn't know if because the way that Samsung has these bezels that spin, I didn't know if if anybody was gonna do anything as far as the Watch 4 Classic, but I'm glad they did, and it's looking very dope. Let me go ahead and just throw it on one time. Here we go. Nice tight look right there, guys. There we go. We shining. Very nice. Shout out to Spigen. This is definitely the rugged armor. It's definitely rugged. It's definitely protecting your watch. It's definitely a nice little rugged look for, you know, a classier watch. If you want to do something different, you've been rocking your watch for a little while and you want to give it a rugged look, a G-Shock type look, here it is. It's your man BG Tech Life. I'm gonna put a link down in the description. Thanks for watching the video. I'm out. Peace.